Hello, it's Mike here with Albright Pressure Washing and more. Welcome to our channel. Today we have something truly incredible to show you. Underneath a thick layer of nature's own camouflage, we found a forgotten plastic chair completely smothered in algae. If this chair were left in the woods, you might not even recognize it as a chair at all. Keep watching so you can see just how we uncover the hidden potential in what seems like a chair that should be thrown away. I'm applying cleaner and letting it go to work, eating away several years of built-up algae. With some light pressure washing, the transformation is amazing. From a murky green to pristine clean. It's not just about cleaning, it's about restoring and rejuvenating. Soon the chair will look brand new, ready to shine and be used at the next outdoor gathering. Here at Albright, we're passionate about pressure washing transformations. We hope this video inspires you to see the potential in the forgotten corners of your environment. If you're as thrilled by this makeover as we are, why not subscribe to see more? Stay with us for more dramatic cleans and transformations that prove a little care and effort can renew everything, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.